Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I've got 3 different giveaways going on right now. One of them is a giveaway for an eyeshadow palette. I do have a box of stuff for our 200 subscriber appreciation giveaway, as well as another giveaway in honor of our 100th follower over on Instagram. I will put links in the description box down below that will take you to the different videos that talk about how to enter each of those. So today we're going to be talking about Ipsy. So Ipsy started out as a $10 a month beauty subscription, and you would get 5 or 6 samples. Every once in a while they throw in a full size in there, but most of the time they were samples. They then said that, hey, you know, we'll dive into the full size market, and where we will ship out 5 full size products for $25. And I've done that for the past couple months and I have been loving it. I cannot wait to see what's inside this box. I do have a code in the description box down below that if you sign up for Ipsy, it will give you some extra bonus points. And Ipsy's really good on about getting if you do reviews or whatnot, about getting extra bonus points. They will also let you kind of shop from the different samples, and for $3 you can pick a sample, or for $15 you can go ahead and pick one of the full-size products. And so I did pick a sample and an extra full-size one to throw in here. So let's dive in and I'll show you those things first. I love this saying on here. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Let your inner light shine. That's my own thing, let your inner light shine through. Anyway, the 2 that I picked out, so the boxes are customized for you. And so I did not get the Bye Bye Pores foundation, which I know some people did. And so I went ahead and I was able to pick that up for $15. I did get the shade Fair. Here's what the tube looks like. And it's got a little pump here. A lot comes out in a little pump. Just gonna see if this shade's gonna match me here. I think it's pretty close. I think it might be a little light just for right now. You can kind of see the difference. Just for right now, while I have kind of a tan going on for the summer. But I think during the winter, I think this will be a really good shade. The other product that I picked up separately, I've wanted to try the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. I haven't tried this one. I've tried the Bum Bum, love the Bum Bum. It does have a little bit of a safety seal on it. This one is the smaller one, so this one I picked up for $3. There's a bunch of product on here, so I'm just gonna love how soft this makes my hands feel. It's got a scent to it. It almost smells like cake batter is what I kind of smell on it. Like a really buttery cake batter. So I love that. There's a card that talks about the different products. This, for August, it says, Bear Yourself. Celebrate all of you. Play up a signature look. Create the unexpected. Let natural beauty shine. Your Glam Bag Plus picks will help highlight the beautiful things that make you unique. And I do love that if you leave reviews on the products that you try, it helps them to really pick products that are geared towards you specifically. So I love that. First thing I'm seeing is highly bubble wrapped. It's nail polish from one of my favorite nail polish companies. The Smith and Colt nail polish. My nails need some little love right now. It is in the shade Pillow Pie. Love this pale pink. Yes, it is dented. People are like, I've received dented stuff in the past from Smith and Colt. It's supposed to be dented. All Smith and Colt stuff is like that. So this does retail for $18, and stuck in the beauty rut. This powder pink polish is the stuff of dreams. Super shiny, chip resilient. And I have found that these are really chip resilient to love. This 8-free, also known as no harmful chemicals, plus it's cruelty, paraben, and phthalate free. Love that it's cruelty free. The unique handle was designed to look rough yet refined, kind of like in real life. Tip: remove the gold handle to uncover a smaller, more precise one, and apply a loose coat. After applying a base coat, brush on 2 to 3 coats. Finish with a top coat to make your mani last. So yeah, it does always have kind of an inner lid here. And here's your inner lid, and then you can take this off and then here's the nail polish. Love it. Super excited. From Thrive Cosmetics is the Liquid Lash Extension Mascara in Brynn. I am going to be doing a masking review series where I try on different masks, let you know what I think, so make sure to look out for this one. This does retail for $24. It's a unique swipe of this volumizing, lengthening mascara. Can help make sparse lashes look like extensions. I'm all about that, if that's true. This innovative comb-shaped wand defines, separates, and helps prevent clumping, featuring an orchid stem cell complex. This formula stimulates lash growth. Love that. I've been using the newer lash lately to kind of stimulate growth. Tip: hold the wand horizontally at the base of your lash and swipe mascara outward toward the tips. Apply another coat, including all the tiny inner corner lashes, and then let it dry. So be on the lookout for this one. Ooh, I've been loving PURLISSE products lately. This is the Blue Lotus Essential Daily Moisturizer SPF 30. Retails for $45. Finding a daily go-to that hydrates without feeling greasy and protects your skin with SPF. It's like finding a unicorn. Lucky for us, this fast-absorbing formula is infused with white tea, vitamin E, and algae extracts to help prevent fine lines, wrinkles, shielding your skin from the sun. So in the morning after I put on my sunscreen, I always let that sit in for 30 minutes before ever going out into the sun or before applying my makeup. Ooh, from the Balm Cosmetics, I haven't tried one of their big eyeshadow palettes before, is the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. Retails for $32. The Endless Looks in this one sleek palette, from eyeshadow and blushes to bronzers, and highlighted. This baby has it all and then some. We love how portable it is, and so you'll be packing it for all your summer weddings, long weekends away, and more. Tip: use the pinky brown shade Matte Russo for the perfect transition hue. Swipe a Bahama Mama onto the cheeks for a healthy flush. Finish with Mary Lou Manizer to be highlighted. I do have one of the Mary Lou Manizer highlighting palettes. Ooh, look how pretty this is. This would be great to take on vacation with you. So I am not gonna swatch this because, you guys, I'm setting stuff aside for when I hit 300 subscribers. So be on the lookout for this one. From SUVA Beauty is the Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops in Trust Fund. Values $26. Look how gorgeous this is. Let's put a little bit on the back of the hand there. Love that. Look at this shine. How pretty is that? Love it. I think this was an amazing box. I loved that they threw in my favorite eyeshadow. You know, this, the PURLISSE, you know, the balm was amazing. The eyeshadow, I think this was a really great box. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet too, it does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.